Hi there, welcome to the Mission Stress Free. First of all, I would like to acknowledge you, specially thank you for taking a step forward and being part of this initiative. I'm sure you'll be very happy once you are totally part of the mission and it impacts the world and making the world a better place to live. So, this mission stress free is beginning with an intention to make the workplaces stress free and joyful. Why? In workplaces, there is lot of stress these days. There is fear of being laid off, peer pressure, colleagues pressure, need to meet deadlines, lot of expectations to be met, because of which lot of pressure is being created, because of which it's impacting the life of the person in the form of stress. And stress leads to many types of problems in our life. It directly or indirectly impacts our health, financial, relationship, every aspect of our life. Body pains, discomfort, headache, muscle tension, stomach problems, lot of symptoms comes up. And if stress keeps on going on, life will become more worse. Problems will increase, medical expenses will increase, life imbalance would be there. Every aspect of life would be how some way or other way be impacted. So imagine a world in which corporates, employees are very joyful, very happy, they are very stress free, they are loving their job, and they are empowered with techniques to be stress free, through which they are enjoying their job and their life. When they love their job and they are focused with relaxed mind in whatever they are doing, then every aspect of life again starts getting balanced with health, financial, relationship. There won't be many health issues. It's been scientifically proven that 90% of the problems that a person get in their life is because of stress and emotions. Imagine if we empower individual to be stress free and joyful, it would be amazing, isn't it? So this mission is about it to empowering, beginning with corporate people, corporate working professionals or entrepreneurs, to be empowered to be stress free with few simple techniques, tools and techniques. So this is mission stress free, making workplace stress free and joyful. So what's in it for me? Why should you be part of the project actually? First of all, it's a community project. It's an initiative to make your surroundings a better place, to contribute in other people's lives, in making their taking their life to next level. Also, your life would also be in totally next level to the global recognition you are going to get. This project is not limited to a city or a country, it's a global project. Many countries would be involved, many corporates would be involved, a special recognition would be there. Lots of experts are being part of this project, so you can easily connect with the experts. You can get guidance and mentorship through them. There would be exclusive content for our team members, for contributors, leaders, founders, which would be only a limited access, through which they can solve their problems, take their life to next level. It would be exclusive content. Lots of rewards and surprises, I'm sure, would be on the way, through the based on the involvement of each and every one of you, and lot the contribution that individual makes. So it's a community initiative, it's totally free project that's beginning with. It's for the people and by the people. So it's not only my own project, it's, if you are stepping ahead, I want to take it as your own project and spread it across the world among your peers, so that they can enjoy their life. So we are starting with 3 months pilot program journey, in which we plan to impact 25,000 people by October 24th, from 60 different countries and 15 different countries and 60 different corporates. I just said 60 different countries. May it happen, hopefully. How? So first base, we are building an online platform with 6 weeks master class, in which there will be simple techniques, breathing techniques or some postures, or what they can do in the instant they are stressful, to be out of the stress. Simple diet tips. Lot of working professional, morning they don't get time for having food or having proper food. Simple tips in the diet helps in making them quick breakfast or quick diet routines, by which they can stay healthy instead of having junk foods. Simple workouts about relieving pain and discomfort sitting in the chair itself, all the tools and techniques. And accountability partner is the most important thing. There are many online courses available already. Why this course? First, this approach we are establishing now, it's a holistic approach involving all the dimensions of the life and all the ways possible to make one's life better. We have courses specialized to diet, specialized to yoga, specialized to meditation or workouts, something like that. Here we are using holistic approach to build a connect between mind, body and spirit, and using all the ways possible, not limiting to one system, involving the experts from their respective fields. That's the most important holistic approach. And usually what happens, people sign up and just forget. For that, accountability partner system would be created during this entire process itself, so that people can hold each other accountable to progress with the training and implement in their life, which would be motivate each other, compete each other to complete the actions and be stress free and joyful. So we will be having lots of many people like leaders like you and initiators, and enrolling your colleagues, their colleagues and employees, entire company to participate in the project. Lots of rewards and recognition would be for the best performers who are participate in the project. The 25,000 people we are talking, based on their performance, we will be creating some reward system by which they can stay motivated to be in action and keep on learning, instead of just signing up and staying away with a monotonous way. There can be events within the companies and itself by the employees for the employees, maybe short duration. It can be even of 5-10 minutes in the canteen, or half an hour or 1 hour session, in which they will be sharing what they learned through this project and how they can how their peers can implement in their lives to make their lives better. So what do we need to do? It's a very big project. Lots of groundwork is required, for which I need all of your support. We need AV setup, we need website, membership systems, email systems, rewards for participants, the award system, mass email, SMS campaign, customer support is required. If anyone calls up, we need to able to give the support. Lot of online and offline branding are required. We need to involve lot of expert coaches who are expertise in videos, personal branding, the entire project branding, for which we need a lot of funds. We need lot of PR, media outreach. We need lot of content creators as well. And anything you can add in the project that can make the project better, always feedback. I'm open for it. So the future vision, this is, I showed of you only the 3 months pilot project. Future vision is like we can conduct a residential retreats, global retreats, where people come from different corporates to different cities and enjoy out of their corporate life, in which they'll be having the most memorable experiences of their life. I have experience of conducting residential retreats, so that can be taken up. A complete ecosystem required for individuals' happiness. Currently we are starting with only for working professionals, then we can take to housewife, for students, for entrepreneurs especially. Different modules can be created. We need coaches from different fields to participate and support the participants. We will be having a lot of them. I know many of them. We can involve, you know many of them. We can involve all of them and make the ecosystem very strong and powerful. And customer support for immediately solving the problems, as I said. If the 3 months pilot goes well with your support and everyone's support, I am sure in 1 year it's easy to reach 2,25,000 plus people, and in 2 years more than 10 lakhs, or maybe it can be a viral effect, a ripple effect. It can be the next Facebook for the wellness, joyfulness and happiness. It's all based on the commitment we have towards the project and commitment towards the people's life, your colleagues and friends you have, so that it can reach more people. What are the roles and responsibilities? Few roles and responsibilities I devised. You can add on more what can be done better. Leaders. So I want leaders like you, or like many others people, who take this project as their own project. It's not my project, it's not your project, it's everyone's project. But I need leaders who are independent of other people and take this project as their own project and promote it in every dimension, whatever I listed, they take care of all the aspects, whatever they can do, so that the project can run smoothly. Contributors, any roles which mentioned earlier, like content creators, coaches, video editing, and AV stuff, whatever way you can contribute in terms of funds, in terms of skills, in terms of managing the entire section, that would be helpful. Sponsorship magnets, this is the most important aspect. So to make this project huge success, we need lot of sponsorship, especially for the equipments, the technology involved, the place involved, involving coaches. And as the funds coming, we plan to empower individuals who are stopped in their career because of the limitation in which they are not investing for their in which they are not able to invest in their education. So the funds coming can be supported for the higher education or certification processes for the individual, so that they can proceed in their career and achieve their dreams. So we need sponsorship magnets. You can sponsor some amount or other way, or you can bring sponsor big people to contribute in this project. It can be part of as a CSR activity of the corporates, in which they can redirect the funds which can be utilized for the project. Founding members, these are the most important and crucial members of the project. Founding members are those who are going to fund the project or back the project through the investments they are going to make for the whatever list we made for video editing, for the entire online platform, for AV, for sponsoring the students, for the coaches sponsorship, entire projects funding. It can be varying from 10,000 to a few lakhs of rupees as well. It's totally open, so that the rewards and award system, to keep the people motivated and make the system reach more people, it would be very much helpful. So all these requirements are very much required. So you can choose any of the roles and responsibilities, also add what can be done in this project, so that it can be the perfect thing to make the world a better place. So my final words is, let's make the world a better place to live. Please be part of the project, and I want to take up the initiative to make your surroundings better, make other people's surroundings better, to be stress free and joyful. Thanks a lot. Please give your feedback. What and roles and responsibilities are you ready to take, and what actions can you contribute in the project? We can have a conversation personally on it. Thanks a lot again. I really acknowledge for taking a step ahead to be part of the project. Enjoy your day. Thank you.